Okay, everybody, here's the after demo video. Holy moly, they did a great job. These guys are just rock stars. This is this is the old x-ray room. Oh my goodness, everything's off. The old doors, the old sink. This is awesome. Nice new x-ray digital system coming in. Yay. Oh my gosh, look at all the old doors from the 1970s. The x-ray boxes are all gone because it's all digital, so you just view all your films on computer screens. So this is great to just get this all updated and into the 21st century. Here is the, woo, look at, these guys have been busy. Oh, this will all be taken out on Saturday to the dump. And look, they took out all the old light fixtures again from the 70s. And all this popcorn ceiling will be taken out. Yay. Just give it a fresh new start. Yay, new beginnings. Reception is gonna look so nice. All, you know, just, I'm so excited. Here's more garbage, reception room, and front office. Again, all those light fixtures are gone. Popcorn ceiling gone. Here we are. Break room. Woohoo! It's gonna be so nice and cozy and warm and welcoming. And stay tuned.